In this segment, we're going to learn how to configure Kafka to be able to send metrics to Graphite. So if you're using Graphite for your metrics reporting, this is how you'd go ahead and configure Kafka to send directly to Graphite. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to clone this repo that you see right here. Daemon Clavo, Kafka Graphite, and then go ahead and build it just using Maven package. I've already done that. Okay, and I ended up with this Kafka Graphite Uber jar. There's other jar, and then I've also downloaded the Drop Wizards Metrics Graphite jar. Let's just see how big these are here. Okay, so obviously it seems like this Uber one is the one that we may need. Okay, so what we're going to do with these is we're actually going to go ahead and take the jar and both of the Kafka Graphite jar and the Metrics Graphite jar, and we're going to copy them into the libs directory of our Kafka installation. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and let's copy this jar, and let's copy this jar. Okay, and I have Kafka installed here. Okay, so let's go ahead over there now. Okay, we could check, make sure it's there. Okay, we have Metrics Graphite jar, and we have our Kafka Graphite jar. Now, the next thing we need to do is we're going to need to go ahead and configure it. So we're going to look at the server properties. There's a couple of things we need to do. One, we want to tell it about the metrics to use reporting. Let's do this. Let's just go down the bottom here. Okay, let's just set a section here, and let's just do this for metrics reporting. Okay. There's a couple of different keys that we're going to want. One is the Kafka metrics reporters, and this is going to be Criteo one. Kafka, it's Kafka Graphite metrics reporter. Spell it right, Kafka Graphite metrics reporter, I believe so. Okay, the next one we're going to want, just copy these over here, save our typing and you watching me type. Okay, several others. Then we're going to have the reporters enabled, that the metrics host was where Graphite's running. You'd want to change this to your environment. Assume I have it running localhost, and then on that port, and then we want to have the group name these metrics appear under to be Kafka. Okay, once those are set, then our next thing to do is just to start up the broker. Okay. Okay, if we got everything right, then it's all started. At this point, you'd be able to log into your Graphite server and start to see the metrics that come across. Okay, I don't have Graphite running, so you can see it's just getting denied, but we could see that it is getting called. Okay, so again, you would clone a repo, build it, copy the two jars into libs directory, and then go ahead and configure that reporter along with where the Graphite endpoint is.